Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable TikTok notifications on your browser on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your profile icon in the top right and go down and select settings. And now you want to select underneath push notifications, desktop notifications, allow in browser. Stay on top of notifications for likes, comments, the latest videos, and more on desktop. You can turn them off anytime. Just toggle that to the on position, and you would have to select OK. And then it should save. You may have to give permissions in the browser itself, and then that would hopefully be about it. So again, pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.